Hello everyone. Today, I would like to show you how you can edit the WordPress memory limit with just a few clicks. All you need is 1 minute of your time and access to your WP config file on your web server via FTP or via zPanel's file manager. Let's get started. We use in our example Bluehost as our web host and cPanel's file manager. After accessing the file manager, we see a list of all files stored on our web server. Our WP config file lies usually in the public HTML folder. From there, we select the file and click Edit in the menu. The system shows us a warning that we should better have a backup of this file and asks us to continue editing. The WP config file is opened and we scroll to the very last line of the file, just above the line which says, "That's all, stop editing." Happy publishing. Before we insert the line, define WP memory limit with the parameter 256 M or whatever memory limit you want to define. We click on Save in the menu, and after a moment, we get the info of success. Congratulations! Within only 1 minute, you successfully modified WordPress memory limit.